Today we're diving deep into two automotive titans, the Subaru Outback and the Toyota RAV4.
Das ist die Super Vital, die F-Radische, in 85 News Frankens. Drunk those are jangling out.
Today, we're comparing two of the most trusted SUVs on the road, the Subaru Outback and the Toyota RAV4. Both are built in Japan. Both have a huge fan base, and both promise the same thing: buy it once, drive it for years. But if you had to pick one, which one actually gives you more value? Let's break it down. Subaru Outback. The rugged all-rounder first up, the Subaru Outback. This SUV is made for people who love adventure. It's comfortable in the city, but it really shines when the road gets rough. A big advantage: every Outback comes with the standard symmetrical all-wheel drive. You don't need to pay extra for AWD. It's built in. That means more control, better grip, and real confidence when driving through rain, snow, or off-road trails. When it comes to reliability, the Outback has a solid record. With just basic maintenance, it easily lasts 200,000 to 300,000 miles without any major problems. Safety? Subaru doesn't mess around there either. The Outback has earned the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating, one of the highest safety awards in the industry. Resale value is strong. 2. Many owners sell their Outbacks after 5 to 6 years for a surprisingly good price. Engine options include 2.5L, Boxer engine, base, reliable and efficient 2.4L. Turbo engine adds more power without losing durability if you're buying used. The 20C20 model is a sweet spot. It's got updated tech, advanced safety features, and Subaru's classic dependability. Insurance costs are low too, thanks to its top safety rating. So overall, the Outback is rugged, dependable, and perfect for anyone who likes a little adventure in their daily drive. Toyota RAV4, the everyday legend. Now let's talk about the Toyota RAV4. It's a bit smaller than the Outback, but when it comes to reliability, this thing is a legend. The RAV4's 2.5L engine is known for being practically bulletproof. It's smooth, easy to maintain, and can easily go 300,000 plus miles if you take care of it. It's not the fastest SUV out there, but it's one of the most dependable. The performance is steady, not exciting, but always consistent. Maintenance costs are low, spare parts are everywhere, and the resale value is fantastic. In fact, buying a RAV4 is like buying a savings bond. It barely loses value over time. Inside, it's comfortable, simple, and built to last. If you go for the hybrid version, you'll get even better fuel economy, perfect for daily city drives. So, if you want a reliable SUV that's efficient, low maintenance, and built for everyday life, the RAV4 is hard to beat. Final verdict: which one wins? If you're the kind of driver who loves road trips, mountain trails, and a bit of adventure, the Subaru Outback is your car. But if you just want something reliable, easy to live with, and budget-friendly, the Toyota RAV4 is the smarter pick. The Outback is for explorers. The RAV4 is for everyday heroes. Bottom line, Subaru Outback. Rugged, safe, and adventure-ready. Toyota RAV4. Reliable, fuel-efficient, and financially smart. No matter which one you choose, both will serve you well for years to come. The only question is, are you chasing adventure or peace of mind?